So guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to go into the heart house. First, get into the car. I'm gonna use the motor cycle because I love it. Then let's go to the shopping car. But let's go. Oh, I'm gonna use the car because I can repair it and go to my house. But this, no. I'm gonna teach you and I'm gonna teach you how to go into the heart house. So let's get this one. Okay, let's go. Don't I'm gonna go there first. Let's go into the luxury cars. Let's go to the farm. Please, I need subscribers. Please subscribe. And we're at the farm. Now let's repair the sports and it's gonna disappear. Let's use our jetpack. And there's the heart house. This is real and I'm not joking. It has an entrance. Press action. You're gonna do it. Goodbye.